Hey, what is up, guys? So I decided to do something a little bit different. Normally I do like the Tesla videos. That is my favorite stock, but as of late, I've kind of been making some decent money in Netflix. I've been hitting some decent plays, and I just kind of want to talk about what I'm seeing right now for Netflix and where we're headed. If y'all been following Netflix, you know that we're trying to fill this gap. I think it was like $100 gap, right? And the $100 is up, I believe, at 330, right? So you know that we're headed to 330. We're headed to 330. But what I don't want people to, get misunderstood is Netflix is still really undervalued, right? And so a lot of people are setting their price targets at 330, but I do want you all to understand that we still have so much room up to go. Like there's a ton of room up to go. And Netflix, is a solid company. Netflix is a solid company. So, but this area here at 331 to, I would say, around 343, and that's pretty big area. It's a pretty strong area of resistance for us. So I just want to say, guys, I know you're probably riding this to 330 if you're in, and I would take profits at 330. I'm actually in a position. I will be taking profits at 330, but also I am going to look for another opportunity to get back in and ride this thing up to the upside, and just try to get some more money out of this thing, because this thing, look at this, guys. I mean, look at how much. Look at all that. I mean, now this could take a long time for us to kind of see a upward swing like that, but the way the market is going. Like the overall sentiment is we really want to try to get back up. It's not to say that it's never going to be a straight line up, but I do believe with inflation the way that it is now, and with Jerome and with with the Fed kind of trying to loosen up just a little bit. Hopefully, they loosen up, but it doesn't affect inflation, can still come down. I think that the market will just, in general, start to turn into a bull market again. And I wouldn't be surprised if it did by, January or the end of January or February, something like that. But anyway, on Netflix, that's kind of what I'm seeing, guys. I know y'all saw these bull flags that I have here. I couldn't believe I was seeing 2 bull flags in a row, right? But anyway, so that's a bull flag. We broke out of it today. We actually did come and retest. I'm going to call this a retest, even though it didn't quite touch my line. I'm going to call that a retest, and I think we are going to be headed back up next week. So just be prepared to, do whatever you do. Take your profits at 330 if you're in. Then maybe even consider, adding on to your position if you want to, or however you want to do it. Just this is just some guidance going into next week and for Netflix. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you made it all the way to the end, maybe subscribe, you know what I'm saying? And like the video too. That kind of helps out too. And appreciate it. So till next time, peace.